Hi guys, it's me Jun here. So today we are going to do a DIY video. Yay! So yeah, I got this inspiration from Pinterest, and this item I got all of them from Mr. DIY, which is a affordable store. So I got a full leather apron, and then I got a spray bottles, which is a very colorful, and I'm so obsessed with it. And yeah, I think this is going to be easy, and I can't wait to do it. Like, let's start guys, let's start. Okay, the first project we start with this fur leather apron. If you're not confident enough to draw on the spot, sketch on a paper first a shape that you want for your rug. Lay flat the apron on the table and draw the shape that you wanted to do by using a marker. Cutting the shape on the apron by using a scissor or roller cutter, and finish it up by cleaning the edges, and that's it. The rug is done. Okay, next is the clear modern vase inspired. For this project, I use utility knife to cut the bottle neck, but you can find another alternative by using a mini scroll chopping saw. It's more convenient, I think, better than this utility knife. Okay, we're starting by removing the bottle spray first, and then use the utility knife or whatever cutter you're using to cut the bottle neck. Okay, I forgot to mention the bottle is RM 2 ringgit each, and yeah, I just got vase is so freaking famous. She's fancy, guys. She's fancy, you know. I saw this all over the internet, on Instagram, on Pinterest, and yeah. Just like that, we are almost done, but using a sandpaper to sanding the edges of the bottleneck that we cut before to finish everything so it look nice and clean and yeah, ready to use.
It's RSS.
So yeah guys, that it's the video. So I have so much fun doing this and I cannot wait for you guys to try it. And yeah, I never thought that this like a rug gonna be this good, and this like vase, this vase, I don't know. Yeah, this too. I'm so glad that I'm doing this, and yeah, I hope this video can give you an inspiration to do a DIY or decor your home or house or room or space or studio, whatever it is. Yeah, please guys, save your coin and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys next. Bye. Paring konangan.